How to download attendance from a Webex meeting. Here's how you can export the attendance report step by step. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Go to the Webex website and make sure you are already logged in to your Webex account. Once you're logged in, look at the left side navigation menu. Click on Meeting to view your scheduled and completed meetings. Change the filter from Upcoming to Completed. Now find the meeting for which you want to download the attendance report. Click on the meeting topic to open the meeting details. Look for the Export Attendance Report option in the meeting summary. Click Export Attendance Report to start the download. Webex will prepare the attendance information and download it as a CSV file. The file will usually be saved in your computer's Downloads folder. You can open the CSV file using Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or other spreadsheet software. The report will show the available attendance details for that Webex meeting. That's it. That's how you can download attendance from a Webex meeting and save the report as a CSV file. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.